Does HCG have the potential to increase sensitivity and increase ejaculate volume at 500 IUs a week?
Have the potential, yes. That dose, as far as I can recall, has not been studied. So that might be too low of a dose. The doses that have been studied is 250 to 500 every other day when you're talking about with injectable testosterone.
Yeah.
If you're talking about HCG alone or HCG with anything other than injectable, I don't know the answer because it really hasn't been studied. But the minimum dose, I think, that's studied that we have good confidence that works is 250 every other day. So I'd be concerned about 500 working. But that being said, there are anecdotal examples I have of guys using like 1,000 a week and they still have sperm counts. But I want to be very careful because, having 4 or 5 patients like that doesn't mean it's not as good as like a research study with like, hundreds of patients.